Hey Legends, let's talk about how to enable crossplay in Apex. If you're trying to squad up with friends across different platforms in Apex, crossplay is a must. Today, I'll show you how to enable crossplay in under a minute. Let's dive in. First, this will be a bit different depending on which platform you're playing on. It's important to note that if you're on PC, crossplay is always turned on. A few seasons ago, you were able to turn it off via a tick box when you click on the game mode, but now it's always going to be turned on for you. This is also the case when you're playing on Xbox. However, if you're on the PlayStation, you will have an option to turn it on and off via like the settings and gameplay. And if you scroll down, somewhere along here, in this area, you will find a section called Crossplay where you could turn it on and off. But since I'm on PC, I can't show that to you, but it should be on this area right here. So yes, it's actually that simple to be playing with other people when they're on like different platforms. So thanks for watching. See you later, legends.